Hello little ones, today we're going to learn a sound in Afrikaans. F. But in English we say V. Now repeat the sound after me. F. 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 F for vis. Now repeat after me. Vis. Vis. That means fish. Now repeat after me. F, f, vet. F, f, vet. That means fat. Now repeat after me. Vrugte. Vrugte. That means fruit. Baie mooi maatjies, kom ons lees die woorde wat ons geleer het. Let us read the words that we have learned. Now repeat each word after me. Vis. Vet. Vrugte. Well done everybody. Maats, ons gaan nou 'n speletjie speel. We are going to play a game. I'm going to show you a few letters of the alphabet and you're going to look for the f klankies. Kyk hoeveel f klanke is daar. Well done, mooi maats, daar is 2. 1, 2. Baie mooi maats, well done everybody. Ek gaan nou vir jou 'n paar letters van die alfabet wys. I'm going to show you a few letters of the alphabet. En jy gaan vir my net die f klankie wys. You are only going to show the sound that you've learned. F. Are you ready? Let us see if you can find this sound. F. What I want you to do is you are going to point with your left arm if it's on the left and with your right arm if it is on the right. Here we go. Ja. F. Now let us see if you can find the next f. I'm going to go faster now. Mooi so, maats. Waar is die f? Well done. Jy's reg. Well done. Kyk, waar is f? Jy's reg, yes. Kyk, waar is f? Jy's reg, yes. Well done, little ones. Yes. Well done, little ones. You were amazing. Thank you for learning so well and thank you for doing the video with me. Baie dankie, maats. Julle is baie slim, hoor. Volgende keer gaan ons nog Afrikaans leer. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my video. Until next time, please take care. Listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.